In today's video, you're going to learn about 51 orders in Civil Procedure Code. So today's video helps you with tips and tricks how to remember in an easy way all the 51 orders in CPC. So before going into that, let us have a glimpse of introduction regarding CPC. So CPC, 11 parts, 158 sections, orders, 51 orders, schedule, 5 schedules, and dates are assented date is 21st March 1908, and whereas commenced date it has came into force on 1st January 1909. And CPC is divided into two parts. One is body of the code, the other is rules. So body of the code prevails over rules. So now while going into the orders, let us divide the orders into few parts. The first part will go up with a story. The second one will be dividing the suits by or against. The third part you learn about all the appeals. And the fourth part you learn about suborders which are being said under 13A order, 15A order, 16A, 20A. So all these A's in the orders. Okay. So now let us go into the first story of these orders. So for a suit or for a case to be instituted in the court, all you require is two parties. The plaintiff and the defendant. So the two parties, they need to frame a suit. But they cannot do it directly. So they need help of agents and pleaders. So these pleaders will institute a suit. So these will institute a suit in the court. And the court will issue summons to the parties. So here comes our orders. The first order, parties to the suit. Second order, framing of suit. Third order, recognized agents and pleaders. Fourth order, institution of the suit. And fifth order, issue and service of summons. And from there, if summons are served, then what will happen? Pleadings takes place. So these pleadings are nothing but plaint and written statement, right? So after these have been, next, as they have issued the summons, that means the parties should appear in the court. And when they appear, examination of the parties takes place. Next is discovery of facts and inspection and admission of the facts. Then they provide all the original documents to the court. So here comes order 6, pleadings in general. Order 7, plaint. Order 8, written statement. Appearance of parties, order 9. Examination of parties, order 10. Discovery and inspection, order 11. Admissions, order 12. And production of documents or rejection of documents, order 13. So after producing the documents, issues will be settled. Settlement of issues, which is order 14. Then comes first hearing and disposal of the case. So disposal after first hearing, which is order 15. If not disposed, then they need further witness to build the case so strong so that summons are being served to the witness here. Adjournments, meanwhile, and as summons are served to the witness, obviously the hearing and examination of witness takes place. Affidavit filing and verification. The next one is judgment and decree. Finally, execution of decrees and orders. So with this, we have completed 20 orders. So settlement of issues, order 14. 15th is disposal after the first hearing. 16th, summoning and service of witness. 17th order is adjournments. So as you have served the summons to the witness, he has to appear. So hearing and examination of witness takes place. Order 18, affidavits. 19, judgment and decree. Order 20. So execution of the decree and orders are order 21. So this is our first story from order 1 to 21. From starting with the parties till the execution of orders and decrees. See you in the part 2 of the video.